Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to check your call history on the AT&T app. First, download the AT&T app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and log in to your AT&T account. Once you're logged in, go to the Usage or Account tab on the main menu. Next, tap on the option labeled Call History or Usage Details. From here, you'll see a list of your recent call records. You can scroll through your history or use filters to narrow down specific dates or contacts. You can also download the list for your records if the option is available. If you can't find the call history or run into any issues, you can always contact AT&T customer support directly through the app for help. And that's it. That's how to check your call history on the AT&T app. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.